Hey bhai log, welcome back in my another video. Well, today this is not going to be just video. You have seen many videos in which they're showing you edit tutorials, but they are sufficient enough in their own words. If you're also doing what others are doing, you're not going to make it. I'm going to show you how to edit like me, and this video will change your point of view for editing. Generally, dope edits are created using smooth animations, and animations come from mind. So your mind must be good enough in thinking, obviously not this man. Just gripping in Premiere Pro solve your all edit problem. And if you think like watching Premiere Pro in 30 minutes or watching some random trash videos will give you knowledge, then you are 100% absolutely doing waste of time. Now stop thinking about what past mistakes you have did and step into Premiere Pro right now. Let's start with first topic, which is smooth animations. Smooth animations are very easy to create. You just have to give gap between keyframes, and for this you must start your animation early before that things even introduce, which means 2 to 3 seconds before the things introduce. And say for example I'm talking about keyboard or I'm talking about PC, but I will choose headphones. So say for example I'm talking about headphones, and before saying headphones I'm start appearing and start giving my animation coming from the screen. So I think now you're getting it what I'm saying. Now these 3 graphs are enough to make it dope, and I mean dope means dope animation of course. First is just a simple easy in and ease out graph, and second fast and then slow graph. Third is slow and fast. And all these 3 graphs are already shown you in my rest of the videos which I uploaded. This is what you must start applying it now. But don't start without these 2 topics. Second topic is ideas. Yeah, it's totally fine if you cannot get idea in first. I mean, it happens to me also. But it's not fine if you just start watching reels or movies. Whatever things written, just try to put in your screen and just do some random animation with it. And by doing this, maybe your random animations comes to be the best, or you will correct any idea, and I'm sure about this thing. Okay, now after applying animations and ideas, let's jump into the sound topic. And I love to pick specific sounds for a particular thing, like this.
Overpowered than All Might, or even All for One. Well, in this video, I'm going to create the strongest character in all of My Hero Academia.
You must also do this in your edits, and it will make your Josh video to super alive videos. I mean, this thing which I showed you are very easy. You just have to develop the mindset that I can also do this and I will improve each day. Alright guys, then see you in the next video. Till then, keep hustling, and if you have any doubts, you can contact me on Instagram or over Discord. And you can mail me also if you want to join my agency. Let's see you in the next video. Till then guys, take care and bye bye.